Scorching temperatures combined with strong winds have fueled widespread fires across Nelson Mandela Bay, impacting numerous communities. A total of 98 areas were affected, including Kariga, Govan-Beki, Greenbushes, KwaZakhele and the N2 wind farm area, with damage reported in several locations. Thanks to the relentless efforts of firefighters, all major fires have been extinguished, while teams remain on the ground to fully contain remaining hotspots. Throughout the weekend, the Nelson Mandela Bay Municipality's fire and emergency services worked around the clock, deploying firefighting vehicles and personnel to combat the blazes, protect lives and safeguard property. Providing an update on the situation, the Deputy Executive Mayor, Councillor Gary van Niekerk, said,
Fires have been brought under control in this area, but I can also tell you that deep inside the bushes, you'll find our fire and emergency vehicles still trying to get some other fires. I'm urging residents, please remain vigilant. If you see any fires flaring up, if you see any smoke, please contact our fire and emergency number, which is 041 585 1555. Please remain safe, please remain vigilant. Here we are together.